Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn some interesting questions on simple interest. The first question says that the simple interest on a sum of money is 4 by 9 times the principal. Okay, the simple interest on a sum of money is 4 by 9 times the principal, and the rate of interest per annum is numerically equal to the number of years. Find the rate of the interest per year from these given options. This is question number 1. Now see what we are given and what we have to find. Okay, the simple interest on a sum of money is 4 by 9 times the principal. Okay, now see first the simple interest. Let the sum, let the sum we borrow from any agency or any agent be P. जो sum, let the sum be P. जो sum है we take that P. वो हम क्या लेंगे? वो हम P लेंगे, ठीक? And we know that जो रेट होती है we denote rate by R, and जो टाइम होता है we denote time by T. तो इनमें से because in case of simple interest we need principal, rate and time. Principal, rate and time. तो sum जो हम लेते हैं let it be P. तो what is the rate? Rate of interest per annum is numerically equal to the number of years. Numerically equal to the number of years. अगर हम time लेंगे n, तो जो rate है rate is also equal to numerically equal to the number of years. Rate is numerically equal to the number of years. तो R भी n है, R भी n है. Find the rate of interest per year. ठीक, तो लेकिन यहाँ पे आप देखिए सम हमने पी लिया, लेकिन इंटरेस्ट, व्हाट इंटरेस्ट बिकम्स? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बिकम्स सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन ए सम ऑफ मनी, ऑन ए सम ऑफ मनी, वो हमने कितना लिया है? पी इज 4 by 5 टाइम्स द प्रिंसिपल. तो जो हमारा सिंपल इंटरेस्ट है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट हमारा होता है किसके बराबर? पी इंटू R इंटू T डिवाइडेड बाई 100. ठीक, तो द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन ए सम ऑफ मनी इज 4 by 9 times the principal. The principal, and the rate of interest is this, rate is this, T is this. So what we have simple interest is this simply. So what is simple interest? It is 4 by 9 times the principal. Principal हमने P लिया, it is 4 by 9 times P is equal to P into R. R हमने N लिया है, T भी हमारे पास N है, T भी हमारे पास N है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा this is 100. Okay, this P and P will go. Okay, so we will have 4 by 9 is equal to n into n, it will be n square divided by 100. We can write this as C. 4 is 2 square. We can write it as 2 divided by 3, because जब हम 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो we will get 4. जब 3 का स्क्वायर करेंगे we will get 9. इसके ऊपर स्क्वायर रखेंगे. यहाँ पे अपना है n का स्क्वायर, नीचे है 100 को हम 10 लिख सकते हैं, और इस सारे को हम स्क्वायर कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर विल गो इफ वी विल टेक बोथ साइड्स अंडर द रूट. ओके, तो n by 10 will be 2 by 3. n by 10 will be 2 by 3. That means now what will be n? N will be 2 by 3 into 10 by cross multiplication. This is our n, which implies 2 10 are 20. तो which implies जो हमारा n होगा that will be 2 10 are 20 by 3. So our correct option is 20 by 3. Okay, so from likewise we can have another question, that is we have another question. a certain sum becomes 3 times itself in 6 years. Okay, certain sum becomes 3 times itself in 6 years. Okay, at simple interest. In how many years it will become 9 times itself? Now try to understand the question first. पहले आप एक दो या तीन बार आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ा कीजिए so that you will understand what question says. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? A certain sum becomes 3 times. तो अगर हमारे पास कोई सम है p, सम हम लेंगे p, तो it becomes 3 times itself, 3 times itself in 6 years. In 6 years at simple interest. That means जो अमाउंट हमारे पास बनता है a, that is वो बनता है itself 6 times. तो हमारा जो अमाउंट बनता है 6 times itself. Sorry, it becomes 3 times itself in 6 years. Not 6 times, it becomes 3 times. It becomes 3 times, 3p. Okay, in 6 years. That means time is 6 years. Okay, so first of in how many years it will become 9 times itself? In we have to find the number of years. Okay, लेकिन first हमारे पास रेट नहीं है, तो पहले हम रेट देखेंगे. व्हाट विल बी द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट? ओके, तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कैसे निकालेंगे हम? क्योंकि वी नो दैट अमाउंट जो होता है, अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू पी इंटू 1 plus RT divided by 100. This is our what? This is our amount. तो अमाउंट किसके बराबर है? अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू 3p इज इक्वल टू p 1 plus RT. R is unknown to us. What is t? It is 6 divided by 100. So which implies ये जो हमारा 3p, this p and p will go. यहाँ पे बचेगा 3 will be this 100 plus 100 into 1 is 100 plus 6r divided by 100, which implies 100 into 3, it is 300. Okay, minus करेंगे ये वाला 100 is equal to 6r. तो it implies 300 minus 100 होगा 200 is equal to 6r. तो which implies r will be equal to 200 divided by 6 is equal to r. इसको 2 कॉमन निकालेंगे, 2 will get cancel out. तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा हमें 100 divided by 3 because 2 into 100 and 2 into 3. तो 100 by 3 is equal to r. तो this is our rate of interest. This is our rate of interest. Now what we have to find, in how many years it will become 9 times itself. रेट तो हमारे पास ये होगी 100 by 3. अब हमें ढूंढना है in how many years it will become 9 times itself. तो हम सीधे लिखेंगे let in t. in how many years. अब इस वाले हमें क्या लेना है? t हमें ढूंढना है. in how many years it will become 9 times itself. तो अमाउंट 9 times कब बनेगा? अमाउंट 9 times, ये जो अमाउंट है ये 9 times कब बनेगा? तो लेट अस सी a is equal to 9 times कब बनेगा? when it will be p into 1 plus tr. 1 plus, तो what is rate? 100 by 3. r की जगह हमें 100 by 3 लिखना है because रेट जो है वो निकला 100 by 3. p into 1 plus rt. t हमने लिया this divided by 100. Okay, this and this will go, which implies 9 is equal to. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे देखोगे this will be 1 और इसका जो रेसिप्रोकल होगा प्लस it will be 100t divided by होगा 300 divided by 300, and which implies 9 is equal to 1 plus this and this will go. It will be 1 plus t divided by 3 divided by 3. which implies ये 1 को हम ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. Let's transpose this one. It will be 9 minus 1 is equal to t upon 3, which implies 9 minus 1 is 8 is equal to t upon 3. Now doing cross multiplication, which implies 3 8 or 24 is equal to t. तो जो हमारा टाइम होगा which will be 24 years. तो the correct option is, this is our correct option. Okay, तो I hope that ये दो questions आपको understand हो गए होंगे. These were level 1 questions. तो in next coming lectures we will get the questions from level 2 and level 3. Okay, till then have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.